Welcome to iPhone Notes app tips and tricks. iPhone Notes app is default note-taking application that offered quick and convenient way to save list and random ideas. This feature is built into the Apple devices. We discuss 5 features on iPhone Note app. You can use Notes app to quickly insert text from various sources, such as website, printed document, etc. With built-in OCR text scanner, this feature works on iPhone 2nd generation or later, with iOS version 15.4 or later. Able to recognize image, with 98% to 100% accuracy, and support 92 languages. How to scan text using Notes app. Open or create new note. Tap camera icon. Then tap scan text. Position the iPhone, so the text appear within the yellow frame below. Then tap text square icon. Finally tap Insert, to copy and paste text into the notes. iPhone has built-in scanner to scan document. With this useful feature you can digitize physical text to iPhone screen, convert text or image document into PDF file, captures text or image document automatically or manually. You can make changes to the scanned document, such as adding more pages, cropping the image, rotating the image, apply filter, etc. How to scan document using Notes app. Open or create a new note. Tap on the camera icon, and scan the document or image. iPhone will capture document automatically. Or tap shutter icon to capture manually. Tap Save, to save the scanned document. Tap on 3 dots, and select Send a copy. Click Email, and the scanned document will be converted to PDF. Using Notes app, you can perform the following features. Electronically sign the document on your iPhone. Add existing signature on your scanned document. Adding shape such as square or circle to your document. You can also add text on the document. How to add signature or text on your document. First open existing, or scan new document. Tap on the document, then tap the share icon, at the top right-hand corner. Select markup icon, at the bottom. You can use pencil icon to create new signature. Or tap the plus button to add existing signature, or add text, shape, etc. Tap Done when complete. You can secure your notes with password, Face ID, or Touch ID. One single password is required to access notes across all Apple devices. This is to prevent unauthorized access to your personal information. If you forget your notes password, you risk losing your notes. How to set password and lock the notes. First open the Notes app, and select the notes you want to lock. Tap on the 3 dots at the top right-hand corner, and select Lock. Enter your password, verify the password, and set the hint for password in case you forget. Enable Use Face ID, or Touch ID option if you wish to unlock the note. Tap Done. Tap on the lock icon to lock the note. To unlock it, tap View Notes to open the note. If Face ID is enabled, the note will open, otherwise will prompt for password. This is useful feature for the blind or visually impaired person. You can use dictation instead of keyboard to enter text. It supports up to 24 dictation languages. Also let iPhone speak selected text with over 30 languages. How to use dictation or speak feature on Notes app. Open or create new notes. Then tap on microphone icon at bottom right hand corner. As you start speaking, the text will appear on the screen. When finished, tap on the keyboard button. To speak the text, highlight the text and select Speak.